Hi guys, welcome back. I have a very amazing haul for you today. All the ladies, I know you've been waiting because this is the seasonal turn on. That's what I'm going to call it. No, I'm not going to lie. I already surprised some people with this haul earlier, but yeah, she came in a big box and like this is like the most exciting shit I've seen in a long time. Okay? Numero uno. Okay, are you guys ready? Countdown. Okay, number one, very good deal. This was on like a steal of a deal. Was it a flash sale? But no, it was very fun because I got a good deal. But it had to be shipped to me in that big, massive, sexy box. So why not? Ta-da! Scott paper towels, fast absorbing. Wait, what else? Quick clean, incredible price. Look at that. Okay, and you get 6 rolls. I don't remember. I'll tag it for you guys so you can buy it. I'll tag it because I know you guys really want these products. So, number 2, we're gonna save the best for last. Lysol, brand new day. Listen, you guys, you don't even know. Coconut and sea mineral scent. Are you shitting me? Powers through tough messes. Listen, grab it, run, don't walk. Run, do not walk, because this will sell out. My subscribers will sell this shit out. I know it. I know it to be true because they take every word I say. They listen. I'm telling you, it smells really good. Okay, so you have to have the O-Cedar mop thing because you have to have easily accessible mopping at all times because I got something to show you. O-Cedar, it's the H2 Pro refill. Stubborn dirt mop. I'm telling you, it sits right and your water's separate. Like when I tell you the sexiest thing, because it's light and you can carry it around and like mop everything. It does something to my personality when I can clean easily and it's easily accessible. Smells good. You know, bring it. Bring it. So yeah, grab that. And this could probably be a really good exfoliating brush for your face. Don't do it after you've scrubbed the floors with it. Maybe before. But if you feel like right here, I'm saying that might be really good for exfoliation. Okay, anyway, I have never been so excited about a product. Like, let me tell you. Besides the scented trash bags in the pink and blue colors, oh my God, they smell amazing. They smell amazing and they're pretty. So listen, my man, no, you can't have him, Mr. Clean, has seasonal scents. Well, he has already in like the fall and winter already had those and they're gone. This one is the Hawaiian Aloha Febreze. Listen, yes. And then they have, let me read it correctly too. Cuts through 100% of dirt, grease, and grime. Watermelon. What? No, listen, Dollar Tree does have a watermelon mop, like Fabuloso, I think. But this is off the chain, off the charts, off the chain. Okay, Mr. Clean, please come to my house. Let's clean together. Okay. Like I would just like an unlimited supply of this stuff. It smells so good. It smells so good. I'm telling you, try it out. Like if you gotta clean and make it fun. Like romanticize your life. I'm romanticizing with Mr. Clean. Okay. Okay. And I romanticize with these 2 idiots behind me, even though I'm one of the idiots. But romanticize, like, whether it be with soft toilet paper when you wipe your butt, like really soft. You can't be cheap on toilet paper because we all know what happens when you are like the 1-ply, 2-ply, what the army gave us, it gets stuck up there. But anyway, okay, we're not going to talk anymore about that because that's off subject. But romanticize when it even comes down to cleaning. Yes, telling you, do it. Just do it. Spend like the extra $2. I know I'm a budget hauler, but when it comes to mundane tasks, spend a little bit of extra money to pamper yourself with a good smelling one. You'll thank me later. Love you guys. And I know this haul was super exciting and you guys are so stoked for the next one. Make sure you hit that bell notification so you can see this crap live. Like, I can't lie. Like, when I first opened it, they were all very excited and 1,000 people came into the chat room wanting these products. I mean, they're invaluable. The information I'm giving you is invaluable. So hit that bell notification. Be here when the stuff is hot because you got to run. And when I'm telling you about a product, you got to run. Like, there's no walking, skipping, run, full blast, run. And also subscribe if you're not already. And at the end of the day, you can check out my daily lives. Best and fastest way to see what's on sale and what kind of deals I've been shopping, because they will be on a live. Almost basically everything I do is on a live. That way I can have the end of the day kind of put together so people can see it before it gets edited and they can see the raw version. But anyway, welcome to the raw version. No, this is not the raw version. So make sure you go and watch the live because it's a lot more fun. And then join us Friday, 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time when we do Club Lissa Shops and we play trivia and pick your poison. I am reminding everyone, this is not a kids channel. You must be 18 or up to be here. And thank you. But anyway, love y'all and I will see you guys soon. Bye.